like the wheels. They're not quite, they're not black. You know, the black wheels on them like that. I don't like the black wheels.
Yeah, that's good, and they match the side mirrors.
Yeah, to match this. And the funny thing is, you can't order this car with anything but these mirrors. They didn't let you have any alternative on the color for the mirrors, so you're kind of stuck, you know.
Oh, that means you're gonna take it in for a wrap, aren't you?
No. I like it the way it is. It's good. That's a nice, pretty color. Some of the guys are ordering these and they want that stripe off the bottom. You can always pull it off if you don't like it, but
I like it.
I get that because it's kind of the character of the car, you know.
Kind of contrast well with the.
Yeah, it's kind of the personality of the car in a sense, and you see it's a little different than just the motor. But I think it's a car worth less money personally. That's kind of the
The rear rotor here is different. It's got a cooling fin or something there on the inside of it.
shield behind it of some sort. Yeah.
Hmm.
But these are 21 inches, these are 20, so it's just a little smaller.
Mm-hmm.
These are the smaller ones.
That's what they do.
Now let's peel it off so Eric can go sell another car. Get it off. There you go. Peeling them off. I'm probably happy that. This is a good trend. Tell all the guys to do this. We don't have to do it. We can save a lot of time. You have one guy who's the peeler. There you go.
What does this mean?
Extreme.
Breadth.
Oh, because this is wide here. So if you were parking this car on a ship or something,
Oh, I
if
see.
you weren't careful, you didn't realize that,
Hit the fender.
that it's wider than the front fender.
Huh.
I suppose they must have had a few damage that way along the way, right? So. You should charge extra for this. Here, I was gonna peel one.
I want you to do it.
I don't. After the first couple times.
Oh, you know, that, now you don't wanna do it after the first couple, huh?
Yeah, it's kind of. That's not that big a deal. I don't know why they don't wrap the whole car. This is what they do wrap and what they don't wrap.
How do you know it's not?
What?
How do you know it's not completely wrapped when,
I don't think. Well, I've
When
seen
they
before
transport it.
on this, so that's a good thing. No surprise they don't. Oh, get that done fast. Did you get them all in this thing?
Yeah, the door.
Oh, there's one down there. Kill all the tape out.
is that the alarm going on?
It's unlocking and
Yeah.
the door. Senses the key and
Oh, in your pocket. Oh, yeah, you like that kind of thing.
yeah. Oh, there's one more. This is locked. Huh? That was easy. Oh, this is the funny one too. Uh-oh, look, a seagull.
There's a,
Maybe it came from Germany.
there's a thing over here that, did you see that? Somebody could have sneezed or something or other on it. but-
Around to that. I think I'll always think good. That's pretty much all except for the hood, right? Oh, there's one down here.
Down the lower door.
That's what these dealers get for $3,000 to detail it out there, Jeff. You gotta get a rebate.
Yeah. I don't need a rebate. These are good key covers, though. Oh, I like them too. Oh, that was good.
You're gonna have to either cut it or you gotta. It's looped around the back side of that
is it?
seat. Just fold the seat forward if you can.
What? It's not electric?
Hell no.
Yeah, wait.
Nope.
In my desk, lower desk, right hand side, I have the scissors. Want to get these scissors? We'll get scissors and cut it.
Alright. Oh, I see here. Do I have a knife? No.
That's okay. We'll get scissors for you unless you can wrap.
Here's a blue one. I'll take this one. That's good. Ooh, I like the red too.
Come on over the other
Oh,
side.
there's one here. This is funny. Oh, that looks nice too. I like that.
I didn't realize those were gloves like that.
There's a little plastic right here, Jeff. It's needs to be taken off.
I think this is the line from the.
No, it's not a line. That's a protection thing.
Mm,
Eric,
It's
is this
the
a protection thing right here, or is
no. It should be shimmered by the goo from the little
yeah, it's just blue.
It's blue?
yeah.
It's got a line on it.
That's because the white stuff was there.
You got the scissors? Okay.
White stuff is there.
There we go.
I'll get scissors for you too.
There we go. Oh, they didn't even take this out. Alright, here, let's sit down. We'll do that.
Here's your scissors.
Oh, okay. Oh, red secrets, that's right.
Here, we'll take the trash.
Let's see if we get this. Maybe a chance to test it.
At least this one doesn't have a rope to close the door. Got a real handle on it.
Oh, there's little secrets. Oh, this is fun. Uh-oh, now what, this is interesting. Why did they do this? Wonder why they put that little cord on there.
You know, I couldn't answer that.
They're gonna have to send it through the car wash and everything here.
What's
I'll
the?
wash it myself.
It's the
Look at
Jeffrey
those
Kilpatrick
windows.
car wash. That's why he wanted to be the first one to wash it.
Is that right?
Absolutely, first one to wash.
Okay.
He'll have it looking he'll have it looking good in no time.
Oh, it's got a back seat almost. This is like a business coupe.
What? Oh, business.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I had a 47 Chevy business coupe.
Just step on it.
They gum it up pretty good.
Yes, airbags, huh? Man, no, that's good.
You have your fire extinguisher, so that's good.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's fine. They
Look at
said,
that,
they
Jeff.
said on rents where people were stealing these out of the cars.
Feeling what?
Okay, this is
Fire extinguisher.
Oh. Geez,
stealing
my
the,
fire
fire
extinguisher, $25. I wouldn't want to get caught stealing the.
And you can't order them supposedly as an after.
Oh, you can't. Oh.
Because they won't ship them or something, I don't know.
Oh, right there.
Uh-oh. Shift. Yeah, I like the seats.
these are very fun.
You were able to get in those seat there on that one. It was good.
Yeah, there you go. Let's see if I can get out of the car.
Yeah, there you go. Got your floor mats up, obviously, huh?
Floor mats.
I always buy those cocoa mats.
Mm.
Those are best. You ever seen the cocoa mats in those cars?
No,
Oh, they were really nice. That's, that's an old thing. It used to be.
that's the driver's side.
This is the driver's side?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, the cocoa mats. They're really nice.
Is yours manual or automatic? PDK.
PDK.
I haven't driven one of these for.
You can actually get in the trunk and see the engine on this one, huh?
No. No engine. There it is. Yeah, I like these seats. Really kind of nice.
There. See, we didn't take too. Oh, we got the hood. Here's the hood. See, when guys are taking their cars to get PPF on it, they should leave these on.
Want to cut it?
Yeah, I do with the seat. And they got it really on here, don't they?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you gotta be careful of this one. Don't yank on it. You gotta. It's the way it's tucked in there.
And the rest is the Velcro.
Cutting the wire would be good. There's some stuff in there.
That front is deeper than the Corvette, isn't it?
And it's only one.
I think it is.
Corvette has two.
Oh, yeah, I'm talking about the front.
We went to Europe for 2-3 weeks in a cabriolet. And Denise and I and all our luggage and everything. So did you guys throw this in there, or was that always in there?
Came with it.
Came with it?
Mm-hmm.
That's new. Well, look at that. I had to buy that for the other cars. It's nice because it keeps you from getting all. That's just stuff for the. Yeah, it's kind of nice because it keeps the stuff from getting. all over. Let's see if they line the panels. My Target had to bring it over here and they had to realign everything.
Yeah, I
The
remember
door
that.
was misaligned. They show these guys in the factory. And I was like, but how come it comes all
Door,
misaligned?
the door handles are misaligned, they're sticking out.
Well, they're supposed to do that. I hope. Yeah, see, this is better. See, my Targa, well, this is a little high. This was like way out here. And the other side was nice and flush. I don't see any major crap. Yeah, it's good.
Oh, that's just a fake out.
It's just like a little air vent for some reason, or a shield of some sort.
Yeah, some kind of a shield, heat shield, I don't know why. Yeah, why you get those brake rotors red hot over there, you don't want to burn the car up.
It's this one.
Well, what do you think?
Looks good. Door even lines up.
I think the rear fenders stick out there
Yeah.
quite a bit. Wow.
It's back a little. Didn't seem to smash it anywhere, except for the dog. Bird poop on it.
That's all the way from Germany. It's special.
No, it's right from the port of Emden, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or it could be the port of San Diego, I suppose.
Yeah, it could be.
Oh, that's nice. Very pretty. I like the red. We were at the concourse in San Diego on Saturday. Alan with me. And there weren't very many. There was like 270 cars. There were very few red ones. Red is not a popular color for some reason with Porsches as much as most other sports cars.
You want to film anymore? Or?
No, that's fine. I think we did it now.
I want to see the inside.
You want to stand over here? Keep on the film. You want to come over here and stand next to
You want to
it?
see the inside of this?
Yeah.
There's nothing to see. That's a wing that goes up and down.
No, it's not.
Okay, it's not. No, it's a wing that goes up and down.
Is it really?
Yeah. I'll open it. I'll see if I can. Oh, I haven't looked at it.
Really looked.
Oh, yeah, see Alcantara on the steering wheel, that's good. That's good. Yeah, that gives you Alcantara here, and yeah, that's nice too. That's very pretty.
I like the red trim on the inside.
I'll set up, I don't wanna do all that now. Yeah, that's very nice. I like this red trim. A lot of people hate the body color inside.
Yeah, I like it.
You can peel this off again. A little bit. I'll get that off. Well, wait, I don't want to rip it off. I don't know, I'm gonna ask Eric now.
I'll show you.
This is much easier to get in and out of than the Corvette.
All right.
Pretty
Good.
That's fantastic. Thank you.
Good.
That's good too. Yeah, it's nice. I think it's a nice overall look. How many more of these fellas have you got in front of you?
All right. Do one more look for the camera here.
Oh,
2023 911 Carrera T.
I'll put this on
Congratulations.
YouTube and I'll send it to